Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact Google account linked to the website. Click the profile icon and note the email. Once done, make sure you have the password and any two-factor authentication method available, because the site may prompt re-authentication. Next, open the website's account or sign-in settings where Google OAuth was initially authorized. Don't skip reading the confirmation prompts. This is the first actionable step that prevents accidental data loss and allows the removal process to proceed smoothly. You then revoke the website's permission from your Google account by going to your Google account security settings and checking third-party app access. Once there, locate the site or app entry and choose Remove Access or Disconnect. This severs OAuth tokens so the site can no longer use your Google identity. After revocation, return to the website and follow any site-specific unlink or delete account steps. Some sites require you to confirm within their UI to complete removal. Make sure to wait a minute for token propagation. To finish, log out of the website, clear cookies, then try signing in to confirm Google sign-in no longer works. If the connection still appears, recheck Google's third-party access and revoke again. Then contact the website's support to remove any stored link on their side. Once confident, change your Google password and review account activity if you suspect unauthorized access. If troubleshooting fails, request the site delete your account or unlink manually. Keep backup codes handy during support interactions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.